Time now for this hour's car review. 2024 Subaru Impreza. Available trim levels include the base, the sport, and the RS. I had the RS. Compact hatchback, it's called. I like to call it a small station wagon. You can call it what you will. That's what I call it. Seats 5 passengers, including the driver. All new redesign this year. They're no longer building the Impreza sedan.
Really?
Oh.
Nope.
It's dropping.
Gone. So then you say, oh, but what about the WRX?
Where'd it go? It's done?
It's done, at least for now. But
got
listen to
such a-
my review. Exterior features, sharp-looking, lowered front end with a proportional grille. Looks more like a hot rod compact wagon than traditional hatchback. You following my game there?
Yep.
Sloping rear hatch glass, attractive front and rear lighting. Silver or gray looks awesome with the black wheels. What could use improvement? A whole hot rod line of aftermarket parts, including the WRX in this car. Okay, just saying that. Do you hear me, Subaru? Interior highlights, well laid out center stack with a great big infotainment screen. The RS model has color enhanced seating in cloth that is very comfortable. Instrument cluster is good with easy to read gauges. Cargo and trunk room, well, it's small. This is a small wagon. What I liked about it, leg room for 2 adults in the back seat. Kathy and Jeff sat in the back seat.
Yeah, we went to your soiree.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Oh, that's a pretty good drive, too.
It was. Very comfortable ride. It does have the passive phone charger in there. I like that as well. What could use improvement? Nothing that I know of. 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder boxer engine. Boxer meaning a flat.
Opposed.
Horizontally opposed 4-cylinder. 182 horsepower, which is just the right amount for that car, unless they decide they're going to put the WRX package in it. Yeah. This is the more powerful of 2 engines. The other one has a little bit less horsepower. Get this one. Torque, 178 pound-feet. CVT automatic transmission.
Only.
As far as mileage is concerned, 26 city, 33 highway for a combined of 29. I got 29.4 over 377.1 miles. What I liked, great gas mileage. What could use improvement? A WRX version, please. I wrote that right there. Ride and handling, rides like a dream. Don's best ride quality winner.
Oh, wow.
Base trim price, $27,885. Prices tested, $31. And the base model price, $24,115. Goes up against the Honda Civic for $23,950, the Mazda 3 for $25,690, and the Mini Clubman, $29,000. That is my review of the 2024 Subaru Impreza RS.
And boy, was it blue.
Did you have you said you called it a little sports car and a good ride. Did you kind of have the feeling that you wanted to kind of
toss it around a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. But it really didn't have that kind of suspension. But, again, the WRX package would take care of that.
Spruce it up.
The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for In Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, and InWheelTime.com. Podcasts available from your favorite podcast provider. The In Wheel